Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to find and delete one document in a MongoDB collection as a compound operation using Go application. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my code. First I am going to do a Go mod init. Mod init find delete. Now I am going to add all the dependencies. Go get go.mongodb.org/mongo-driver/mongo. We have got all the Mongo driver dependencies. Now we are going to get the go.env. Go get github.com toho.go.env. We have added all the dependencies. Now I am going to add a .env file where I am going to add the correction string. I am going to use the environment variable name as MongoDB_URI, and this is where we are going to add the connection string. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. So we are going to connect from an application, so click drivers. So already the Go driver is selected and already we have installed the MongoDB driver also. So copy the connection string. Paste the connection string. We need to replace this password with the actual password. I have updated the password and saved the file. Now I am going to add my application code. Package main. Now I am going to import all the dependencies. To start with context. Just going to copy this. I'm going to add the options here. This I'm going to change it to BSON. Okay, I have added all the dependencies now. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to find and delete one document in the students collection, which is part of the university database. So I wanted to print the student. So I'm going to create a student struct now. So first we are going to add the student ID, which is an int. ID, then name, which is a string. Then age, int. So next gender, string. Grade, string. Grade. Then marks, which is a map. String. Okay, all good. I have created the structure. Now I am going to add my function name. Okay, first we are going to load the .env file. If error not equal to nil, I'm just going to print it. log.println, we are going to say no .env file font. Okay, so this is all good. Now we are going to get the URI was.getEnv, and we need to pass the environment variable name, which is going to be MongoDB_URI. Okay, then we are going to check whether the URI is empty. If it is empty, we are going to do a log.fatal, Then we are going to give the message environment variable MongoDB underscore URI has to be set. Okay, so this is fine. Now we are going to get the client. Okay, client mongo dot connect. Okay, we need to first give the context, then we need to give the options dot client dot apply URI and then the URI. Okay, so if error not equal to nil, we are just going to panic. Okay, then we are going to add a defer function. Okay, so here if error, so here we are going to do a client disconnect. Okay, again we need to pass the context. Okay, error not equal to nil, again we are going to panic. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to find and delete, right? So we are going to use find one and delete. This is a compound operation, so it is going to perform both find and delete together, right? So that is the advantage of using this operation. So it ensures like as soon as you find, you are able to delete. To find, we need to add a filter. Okay, bson.d, right? I'm going to delete the document with the student ID 139. Okay, student ID 139. Okay, this is going to be my filter. All good. Okay, so and we are going to execute this against a collection, students collection, which is part of the university DB. Okay, so we are going to pass university and then the collection we are going to give it as students. Okay, so this is all good. Okay, so now we are going to execute this. But I want that output in the student document format. So what I'm going to do is, so we are going to create a variable with the based on the student structure. Okay, so now we are going to make the find one and delete call. Okay, find one and delete. So for that again we need to pass the context, then we need to pass the filter. Okay, and then we are going to decode, get the data in the student variable. Okay, so it's all good. So now we wanted to print the result. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do is we are going to do the bson dot Marshall extend JSON, to which we need to pass the student, then false. Okay, so all good. So now we are going to print this, println. So the output is in JSON, so I'm going to convert to string and print it. Okay, so all good. I'm going to save the changes now. Okay, now I'm going to execute the program. Go run. We could see the program got executed successfully and the student document with the student ID 139 has been successfully deleted. So the find one and delete method, actually it returns the document which has been deleted. So that is what we have printed here. In this demo, we have seen how to connect to a MongoDB Atlas Cluster from a Go application and find and delete one document in a MongoDB collection using the find one and delete compound operation. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.